We're Group 7, and this is a robot arm. My name is Mark Morcos, and my major is computer engineering.
Hi, I'm Sally Bornstein, and my major is biomedical engineering.
Hi, I'm Pablo Mena. My major is electrical engineering.
I'm Mario Milian. My major is computer engineering.
I'm Juan Menendez. My major is computer engineering.
This project was for engineering orientation. Our problem statement for this project was to design and program a robotic arm that could calibrate itself, scan for an object. Once it found an object, it would pick up that object, move it, and then drop it again. For this project, we were given a laptop, a Arduino Uno board, a robotic arm, and all the components for the electrical part of it. Some of the difficulties that we found with this project were learning the Arduino language. We overcame that by downloading some software and practicing on our own time, and once we were used to it, we designed the software. Then the next problem that we had were some of the chips overheating and learning how to wire everything. Being that some of us are, or most of us are first and second year students, we have limited knowledge of electricity and circuits, but we followed the diagrams and everything was wired correctly. To overcome the chips overheating, we noticed that it would overheat after being used for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after that time frame, we would let it cool off and then continue. The next problem that we found were problems with the batteries. They would discharge, and over time, the power output to the motors was decreased. So it messed with our program, and the program that we had in there was off time. So to overcome that, we found a DC adapter that we could plug into the wall, and it provided us a constant current. So now we're going to demonstrate the robot. And as it goes, I will be talking about what it's doing. Alright, so right there was just a small little test. First, it's going to scan, and it's going to find the home position, which would be my hand right now. Then it's going to move to the left, find an object. Once it finds the object, it's going to move, and then it's going to pick up the object, and it's going to move over to the left, and we'll drop the object. So as you can see, we're still dealing with some difficulties. Number one on our list is the timings, and as you can see, the safety gear has to kick in to keep the gears from grinding. One way that we could deal with that is to incorporate some more sensors so that it detects the position of the exact position of the object, how much pressure is on the arm, just more data so that it can be incorporated into the program. So I hope you enjoyed our demonstration.
Do we have to wait 15 seconds?
Yeah, 5 seconds. 5 seconds.
You lowered the...
Did you get Mario an F?
I didn't write his name.
Sally, you were late today.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were. You were late today. This is
What is it doing?
That is a lie. Total lie.
The safety gears are kicking in. Some of the timings are off. My dog